Welcome home for the holidays! We've been waiting all season for you to arrive. And we have so much to see. Let's take a look at what our Michael's Lemax Christmas Village has in store. Just drop off your things at the Christmas residence and let me show you what we've been working on. First, let's stop at the bustling North Pole Tower. Everyone has been working for months creating the perfect toys and treats. Then, let's head to the Buttermilk Cafe for a quick bite to eat. Their new farm-to-table menu is as tasty as it is fresh. Let's get a warm snack at the Chestnut King. He's in there right now, making the perfect batch. Then, let's swing by our exclusive Christmas in the City to see how they've decorated their homes for the holiday season. There's a new sweet shop called Cookie Palace just down the way. They serve piping hot cookies straight out of the oven all day. Pair that with a peppermint hot chocolate from the Peppermint Food Truck for an unbeatable combination. Let's stop at Pet Pics Photography to get the perfect photo of Fido. And we must go on a Christmas Eve balloon ride. Bring a sweater or your cheeks will be as rosy as mine. And don't forget, only Michael's lets you bring these exclusive pieces home with you. To see even more that our village has to offer, go online or shop in store. Happy holidays!
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.